Good luck, everybody. Here we go. This is 2015 Leaf Trinity Football 6-box break. Random teams number 1. Good luck. 25 total spots. Gonna hit the randomizer 3 times. 3 times. Finchy 40 up top. Seahawks Fanatic on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. DNH Martin to the top, Dub M to the bottom. Onto the teams. Niners up top, Vikings on the bottom. Good luck. 1, 2. Third and final hit. Cross your fingers. Hold your winners. 3. Chargers and Chiefs up top, Saints on the bottom. Take the numbers away. All right, DNH Martin, Chargers and Chiefs. Eddie Trees, the Titans. JB, the Texans. Seahawks Fanatic, Ravens. Knowledge 13, Bucks. King Lacoste, Bears. King Salahi, Colts and Lions. Couple of Kings. Vic 22-22, Eagles and Giants. Itchy Fingers, Steelers. Vinny Vegas, Cardinals. LJ Russ, Cowboys. P. Sellinger, Seahawks. BG Double Ones, Falcons. Red Sox rule the Jags. Itchy Fingers, Panthers. Finchy 40, Raiders. Kenny S305, Browns. Tiki 54, Bills and Jets. CWC 209, 49ers. Finchy 40, Bengals and Packers. KS Crossman, Go Ducks, Mojo, the Broncos. DF Sports Cards, Vikings. JB, the Rams. BKVG, the Dolphins. And Dub and the Saints. Okay, start working on trades.